Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best line cutters is probably one of the most underrated pieces of gear in your tackle box, but trust me, it's a game changer. From effortlessly snipping monofilament to cleanly slicing through braided lines, a good cutter makes everything easier. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of fishing line cutters, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you choose the perfect tool to elevate your fishing game. Number 5. Boomerang SNIP Fishing Line Cutters. Tired of struggling with fishing lines? This is the Boomerang SNIP, designed to make your fishing experience smoother and more efficient. The retractable tether keeps it secure and always within reach. No more fumbling around for your cutters, it's always there when you need it. Featuring stainless steel blades, it cuts through braid, mono, and fluoro lines with ease. You can rely on it for clean and precise cuts every time. Whether you're using braided, monofilament, or fluorocarbon lines, this tool handles them all. It's a must-have for any angler. Get ready for clean and smooth cuts every time. This tool ensures your lines are perfectly prepared for your next cast. What we like. This cutter features a retractable tether, ensuring it's always within reach. The stainless steel blades effortlessly slice through braid, mono, and fluoro lines. If you're looking for convenience and reliability, this is the perfect choice for anglers who value quick access and durability. What people say. They cut through braid and also cut the line around the hook using a snell knot. They are sharp and cut well. I have even trimmed a fingernail and a pinch with them. They have no issues cutting braid, which can be extremely frustrating with bad scissors or nail clippers. Very handy to use, very efficient for cutting braided line. Number 4. KastKing Fishing Line Scissors. Introducing the KastKing Fishing Line Scissors. These scissors are designed to make your fishing experience easier. They are a must-have tool for any angler. Featuring super sharp 3CR13 Japanese stainless steel blades, this tool effortlessly cuts through braided lines. It also works great for mono and fluorocarbon lines. The serrated blades ensure a clean and quick cut every time. The lightweight and durable handle is made of high-strength polypropylene. This ensures long-lasting performance, even in tough conditions. It's designed to withstand the rigors of fishing. The non-slip TPR handles provide a comfortable and secure grip. This ensures the best performance, even when your hands are wet. You'll have complete control. This tool includes an easy removal sheath to protect the blades. It can be worn on your belt or waistband for easy access. The lanyard allows you to wear it around your neck. The KastKing braid scissors can be safely stored in the sheath. It can be worn around the neck with the included lanyard. This allows for easy and fast access. What we like. With super sharp 3CR13 Japanese stainless steel blades, this cutter makes cutting braided line easy and fast. The non-slip TPR handles provide a secure grip, even when wet. If you like the convenience of having your tools readily available, this one with a sheath and lanyard is a great option. What people say. Cut through 50 pounds braid no problem. Nice holder included. They look and feel very well made, and the holster that is included with the scissors works very well also. Cuts through braided line very easily. Color is bright so you don't lose them. I like that they come with a lanyard and a belt attachment. Number 3. Line Cutters Dual Hybrid Ceramic Cutter. Introducing the Line Cutters, a revolutionary tool for anglers. This innovative device combines a patented dual hybrid ceramic cutter with stainless steel micro scissors, making it a must-have for your tackle box. The serrated stainless steel scissor blades are designed to cut close to knots. This feature ensures clean and precise cuts every time, making your fishing experience more efficient. Equipped with a steel clip, it can be easily attached to your hat, belt, or straps. This ensures that it's always within reach when you need it, providing ultimate convenience on the water. The hook holder end not only helps in tightening knots but also serves as an attachment point for lanyards and keychains. This versatile design enhances its usability and keeps your essentials secure. The rust-proof ceramic fixed blade is designed to cut through various fishing lines, including mono, fluoro, and braided lines. It ensures durability and long-lasting performance in any condition. The patented cutting slot effortlessly cuts through up to 100 pounds test braid. This powerful feature makes it a reliable tool for any angler, regardless of the line strength. What we like. This cutter features a patented dual hybrid ceramic cutter and stainless steel micro scissors. The hook holder end is perfect for pulling knots tight. If you are looking for a versatile tool with multiple functions, you should consider this one. What people say. After getting my line cutters, I put them to the test and they were a bit stiff at first, but after being opened and closed repeatedly they loosened up and worked great. Convenient, stays sharp, and outstanding quality. This cutter is super lightweight and hanging from a lanyard it is always readily available. The cutter cuts cleanly through everything from heavy braid to 2 #test ice fishing line. The ceramic cutter also works very well and makes changing lures quick, no more fumbling for the clippers of the needle nose pliers. Number 2. Stainless steel fishing line nipper cutter clipper. This fishing line nipper cutter is made of high-quality stainless steel. It's sharp and resists corrosion, ensuring it will last for a long time. You can rely on it for all your fishing needs. The nipper is approximately 5 by 1.1 by 0.9 centimeters, a compact pocket size. This makes it incredibly convenient to carry around. It's easy to use and won't take up much space in your tackle box. This tool is more than just a line cutter. It also functions as a hook eye cleaner and nail knot tool. It can scissor braid, unhitch fishing lines, and remove cutters. This nipper is an affordable and durable tool. It's a must-have for any angler. Keep one in your fishing box to save time and effort. Stop searching for the right tool when you need it most. This nipper is always ready to assist. It will quickly become an indispensable part of your fishing gear. What we like. This compact cutter is designed for convenience, easily fitting in your pocket. It also includes a hook eye cleaner and nail knot tool. If you are on a budget but still need a reliable tool, this affordable and durable option is perfect for you. What people say. Small and they work. Functional ease to use. Works great. Number 1. SAMSFX Fishing Tool Kit with Zinger Retractors. This is the ultimate fishing companion. It comes with everything you need to make your fishing trip a success. It's durable and easy to use. Made with anti-corrosion anodized aluminum, this tool kit is built to last. It can withstand both freshwater and saltwater environments. The CNC cut handles provide a comfortable and lightweight feel. This tool does it all. It can quickly tie fishing knots, cut lines, tune lures, and more. It's a versatile tool that every angler needs in their tackle box. The cutters slice through fishing lines effortlessly. It can cut through mono, fluoro, and braid lines with ease. This feature ensures clean cuts every time. The spring-loaded design makes it easy to use with one hand. The locking switch and foldable accessories are made of stainless steel. It's designed for long-term use without any rust. Never lose your tools again with the included carabiner retractor. It has a 24-inch polyester cord and a strong retraction force. This ensures that the tool is always within reach. What we like. This multi-tool combines a line cutter with knot tying, hook cleaning, and sharpening functions. The tungsten carbide cutters slice through lines with ease. If you are looking for a comprehensive tool that simplifies your fishing setup, this is the one for you. What people say. Even cuts 65 pounds braid like butter. The retractable lanyard is quality and perfect include. Cuts 30 pounds braid like butter. You have to actually look at it because it cuts so effortlessly. Works great on clipping braid line and it's good excess. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.